After he says, يُجَادِلُنَا فِي قَوْمِ لُوطٍ, he tells us three qualities of Ibrahim alayhi salam. He says, إِنَّ إِبْرَاهِيمَ لَحَلِيمٌ أَوَّاهٌ مُنِيبٌ. No doubt Ibrahim is three things. He truly is Halim. The first word used is Halim. The second word used is Awwah. And the third word used is Munib. And this discussion I want to have with you, this conversation I want to have with you, is really about these three qualities of Ibrahim alayhi salam, because the qualities of his personality are supposed to be the qualities of the personality of every Muslim who follows the religion of Ibrahim alayhi salam. The first quality is Halim. It comes from the Arabic word hulm, or hilm even. Hilm is actually used originally for, some animals get very fat, like a cow that gets very fat. Okay? Or any animal that gets fat, or a person that gets really fat and their skin is very soft, and the baby animal lies down on it like a pillow, and they can lean on it. This animal is soft on the outside because of the fur, but also soft on the inside. When something is soft on the outside and on the inside, it's said to be Halim. Now this is important because there's a difference between soft on the outside and soft on the inside. You could give charity to somebody, or do, sometimes people do, help the homeless, help the needy, but they do it to show public support. Oh, the Muslims have helped these people. It's going to be an article in the newspaper. There's going to be a video about it. Make sure it's posted on Facebook. Okay, we helped these people. Or we went to see the victims of that group or that group. It's all on the outside. But hilm actually means the outside is actually less important. The inside is more important. You have a gentleness and a softness. As soon as the cameras turn off, here you are, you're helping some child in these, dilapidated villages. They're helping some child, holding a child while the camera's on. As soon as the camera's off, put the baby down. Let's go. That's not hilm. Genuine love and care and softness towards others is Halim. And in the ayat, who is he caring towards? He's caring towards people that are not believers. He's caring towards who are not believers. And then the second quality, he says, Awwah. Awwah comes from ta'awwuh. Ta'awwuh actually in Arabic means when you are crying out of pain. When someone does this, like they take a sigh of sadness, that's actually called ta'awwuh in Arabic. Awwah means he used to feel the pain of others. He used to be sad when somebody else is destroyed. It would hurt him that somebody else is going to be killed. It would hurt him that somebody else is going to be hungry. This would personally hurt him. He had a sensitivity and an empathy towards others. This is his second quality, awwah. And then the third quality, alayhi salam, is munib. Munib meaning he keeps turning back, meaning turning back to Allah. When he feels that pain towards others draws him back to beg Allah. Not just beg Allah for himself, but now in his dua and his prayers, he's turning back and asking Allah for those that he feels pain for. Whenever you feel pain, you make dua to Allah, Ya Allah, heal me. When a mother feels pain for her child, she makes dua for her child. She turns back to Allah. The word munib here, after halimun awwah, means first he feels softness and gentleness and care and concern for others. So much so that it makes him sad, it makes him roll with tears. And that rolling with tears makes him turn to Allah and ask Allah for their betterment. Beg Allah for their goodness. This is the quality of Ibrahim alayhi salam on the inside. Inna Ibrahim lahalimun awahun munib. These are the qualities of our father Ibrahim alayhi salam.